Blind spot in business. Opportunity cost. What's that? How it affects your business profits. Hi, and welcome on FSS channel. Here we expose the blind spots. After decoding spending and forced savings, today we step into opportunity cost. The cost you never see but always pay. Opportunity cost. The hidden cost of all resources utilized which are not directly paid. Opportunity cost is the hidden price you pay for every decision. Opportunity cost measures the true value of resources by the income you could have earned. If your resources were used in their best alternative, what return would they generate in their most productive alternative use? Let's give breakdown. First, owner's salary. Second, office factory rent, which you don't need to pay as owned premises. Third, capital employed cost. Otherwise, you would be getting profit on investing this money. Fourth, machinery and tools. You bought these after paying price otherwise. You may have invested same amount somewhere else. Fifth, inventory kept on average. Concept is same as in last point. In some cases, it's of high monetary value. Let's dive further. Now let me show you numbers. Sales less paid costs equals to basic profit. Paid costs are material, labor, salaries, utilities, and other overheads. If you subtract opportunity cost from basic profit, it gives you true profit or loss. Ignoring these costs gives a false sense of profit. If you understood the above concept well, then you will incorporate this. Learn how to calculate your true profit after all opportunity costs while doing your costing and accordingly deciding selling price, and make your business grow on real lines. And discover why paying yourself and valuing your resources doesn't reduce growth, it accelerates it. I hope this gives you good understanding of concept. If you like this effort, then let us know by clicking like and subscribe. If you have any question in your mind about this topic, or you want me to explain any other topic, then let us know in comment section. Keep learning, keep growing.